The heating of a gas at constant pressure is governed by Charles' law. Charles' law, the heating of a gas at constant pressure. Boyle's law, the heating of a gas at constant temperature. Gale-Losek law, the heating of a gas at constant volume. The heating of wet steam at constant temperature it will till it become dry saturated is similar to that of heating at a constant pressure. The heating of wet steam at constant temperature it become at constant temperature till it become dry saturated is similar to that of heat at a constant pressure. The dryness fraction of steam is equal to X is equal to mg by mg plus mf, where mg is equal to mass of dry steam and mf is equal to mass of wet steam. With the increase of pressure, the boiling point of water increases and enthalpy of evaporation decreases. At critical point when saturated liquid and saturated vapor line are meet, enthalpy of evaporation becomes zero and liquid directly flashes into vapor. The ratio of PV by RT is compressibility factor. The compressibility factor is also known as the compression factor or a given deviation factor. Is a correction factor which describes the deviation of a real gas from ideal gas behavior. It is simply defined as the ratio of the molar volume of a gas to the molar volume of an ideal gas at the same temperature and pressure. Z is equal to PV by RT, where Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas. Compressibility factor is denoted by Z, and compressibility factor is also known as the compression factor or the gas deviation factor. Is a correction factor which describes the deviation of the real gas from ideal gas behavior. It is simply defined as the ratio of the molar volume of a gas to the molar volume of an ideal gas at the same temperature and pressure. A certain gas has Cp value 1968 968 joule per kg Kelvin and Cv value is 1507 joule per kg Kelvin. The value of R is, according to the Mayer's formula, R is equal to Cp minus Cv. R is equal to 461 जूल पर केजी केल्विन इन और अगर इसको हम किलो जूल में चेंज करते हैं तो यह आ जाएगा R इज इक्वल टू 0.461 किलो जूल पर केजी केल्विन. Region inside the inversion curve is represented by where mu is Joule Kelvin coefficient. Mu is equal to curly T by curly P at constant enthalpy according to the Joule Kelvin coefficient. For ideal gas, value of mu is 0. Ideal gas equation may be written where P is equal to absolute pressure, V is equal to a specific volume, R is equal to characteristic gas constant, T is equal to absolute temperature, M is equal to mass of gas, N is equal to number of moles of gas, J is equal to compressibility factor. P is equal to Z, P is equal to PV is equal to RT, यानी कि compressibility factor is equal to PV by RT. For ideal gas, Z is equal to 1, so PV is equal to RT. Generalize a compressibility chart is drawn between compressibility factor on y-axis and reduced pressure PR at y-axis. For ideal gas, compressibility factor यानी कि Z is equal to 1, less compressible Z is greater than 1, more compressible Z is less than 1. Which of the following law governs the isothermal process? Boyle's law. Boyle's law governs the isothermal process. According to the Charles law, at pressure according to the Charles law, the heating of the gas at constant pressure. According to the Boyle's law, the heating of the gas at constant volume V1 by V2 is V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to constant. According to the Charles law, where T is equal to temperature, V is equal to volume. Gay-Lussac law states that the pressure of a given mass of a gas varies directly with the absolute temperature of the gas when the constant volume when the volume is kept constant. चार्ल्स के केस में प्रेशर कांस्टेंट होता है, गे-लॉसेक लॉ के केस में वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट होता है, और बॉयल्स लॉ के केस में टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट होता है. Which of the following is true statement for the phase diagram of the pure substance? Extreme point of vaporization curve is triple point and critical. Extreme point of the vaporization curve are triple point and critical. धन्यवाद.